Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, March 20th. This is David, and let's dig into the S&P 500 while we're still in a spot where we're unsure whether this market is bullish or bearish. I want to remain focused on the indices and on this index in particular. And even here, the situation is a little bit equivocal. The voodoo lines can help, and right now they're showing us a market that that has held resistance under this 4083 voodoo fireline. And we might be able to give the benefit of the doubt to the bears so long as it stays below, but really only if it continues to act bearishly below that level, which really would mean finding resistance at smaller degree, less important lines, less important than the most important fire line. And you can see that here at the third degree level, this 3814 voodoo snow line, that's where we found support last Monday and have parlayed that into really a sloppy hold of this 3917 snow line. So long as it holds above these, that leaves the door open to a retest of that 4083 level, and above there we're going minimally back above the February high. In order to keep the bearish view intact, we would need to get resistance back under 3917 pretty soon. And of course, with a scheduled volatility event here for Wednesday in the form of the FOMC and whatever unscheduled volatility events there might be, whether it's related to banking or anything else, there could be a lot of things which drive us one way or another. Certainly, there are some potential objectives higher and lower, but we'll delve into those in a little more detail in the premium video, where we have a little bit more time to dig into a few possible cases, as well as some additional signs that might help us figure out which way we're leaning. But it really is at this point probably down to those volatility events. One thing I will give you here to look at real quickly before we wrap up that I've found tremendously useful over the past few days is this micro voodoo line level in the ES futures, right? So these are a shorter time frame version of the voodoo lines, more useful for shorter time frame trades. Just like the regular voodoo lines, these fire lines are the most important of the levels, and we have one here at 39.76 3/4 in the ES. Right, you can see that here on Friday, before our drop into the low of the day, right, we opened down, retested these a little bit before falling. Overnight, Sunday night, you can see we ran into this as resistance before coming back down to the micro tree line here. So this keeps coming in again and again and again. We did make it above there late in the day today, closing close to our highs for the day. And there's a benefit of the doubt to the upside so long as we stay above. This can change a whole lot more quickly than the regular voodoo lines level. So I'm not going to say this is going to hold. We could dance around to either side of this, just like we did for a good part of the day today during the cash session. We were on either side of this a few times, but I would encourage you to watch this as an over-under, keeping in mind that we can flip on to either side. It's been an important level for several days. So I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.